As part of the robot optimization, I've said previously that I don't recommend to write this comparison between strings. Now this will work 100% in this case, but the reason it's working is because it's using the same format for the same thing. Now how you can write code in production when making these type of things, you're going to use the time span variable. So I'm going to show you here in this video. Well, because we are not going to use the string for the comparison, the first thing is I like to rename these variables total time string and total time string and create another ones like the total time, which it will be of type time span. This one it's in system.timespan, and again for the current time it's using the time span also. After we have read the get time as a text in this variable, I would like to convert it in a time span. I'm going to do that using an assign and say like current time, and probably this variable is declared here, so I'm going to change the scope to body to have the bigger scope. Current time equal time span dot parse, and we're going to use by default time, which is current time. Okay, we do have an error here, so probably this current time it's not visible here in the scope. So go again here and change the scope to the top one, which is in the sequence. I think I did that by mistake. So, okay, current time, that's string. And we're going to use this after this current time has been read. Copy and paste and do this for the total time. Total time equal time span. And here I'm going to use the total time string. And I probably need to close the parentheses. And here, I can use the same thing and it will work. But because I have converted in a time span, now I have access to other things like how many hours, how many minutes, and so on. And I can use this is different, but a better choice would be smaller and equal. Actually, it will be just smaller. When it's equal, it means that the video finished. So now it works to make comparison like smaller or greater. So let's try to check if this one works. So I'm going to open a Chrome and have this video from history and run this component. I do have already a video clip here open. And let's seek at the end. 3:55, 37, and the execution of this robot ended. Now this one is a better way to use durations. Now I hope it was helpful, and let's see to the next one.